children, in this class we will start with the poem 8, that is Another Chance. It is written by Helen Steiner Rice. First we will read the poem once. How often we wish for another chance, to make a fresh beginning, a chance to blot out our mistake and change failure into winning. It does not take a new day to make a brand new start. It only takes a deep desire to try with all our heart, to live a little better and to always be forgiven, and to add a little sunshine to the world in which we are living. So never give up in despair and think that you are through, for there always a tomorrow and the hope of the starting new. Okay, what is this? Another chance is nothing but. Sometimes we feel like if we do the mistake, what we will feel? We must have another chance so that we will not do the mistake again and again. Here, how often we wish for another chance? We wish so much time, right? Oh, it was not been happening yesterday. Why I did like that? Yesterday, why I have not written the homework? To make a fresh beginning. Because yesterday if we have written the homework, today the teacher will not be punished us. A chance to blot out our mistakes and change the failure into winning. Means if we get a chance to blot our all mistakes, it means that our all mistakes must be blown out, and what we will convert our failure into winning. If we did not did the homework regularly, if we did not write the notes, at the exam time we will face so much of the problems. At that time we are not able to study also, and obviously we will fail. So if we control our mistake, if we have the chance to control our mistake, we should take it. It does not take a new day to make a brand new start. It does not take any day, right? If we did not did homework at last day because of some problems, but today we are having another chance to do that homework. We are having another chance to read. If you have not read in the slip test, what you will do? If you read in the unit test, you will get the marks. But if you neglect at that time also, obviously you will fail. It only takes a deep desire to try with all our heart. Okay, it will take only one decision we must have. We must have a strong decision that we are able to do that work and we are very strong. And if we decide that, we will read easily and we will pass out. To live a little better and to always be forgiving. Okay, what we must do? We must be happy means we must be happy, and all the teachers must praise us means we should do our work on complete, and also we must forgive our friends. We should not do argument with the friends. If they did something, we must forgive them, and to add a little sunshine to the world in which we are living. Okay, after reading, what we will get? We will get into a very good positions. So not only us, we will indicate our world, that is we will indicate our India. For example, in Olympics, what the games are playing? So many games are playing. Here, what will happen there? A single person would dedicate our India. He will be standing to play from India, and where other all countries were coming. At that time, if India owns, if that person owns, India will also be owned. So never give up in a despair and think that you are though, for there always a tomorrow and the hope of starting new. Yes, we should never think that, oh, why I will not do another time. If we are scared of something, if we are scared of a subject, for example, if you are scared of maths, next day if you learn it neatly, you will get it. Otherwise, if you say that maths is my hated subject, I can't do it. But when we are not trying to do it, how we will get that subject? We must try, right? We must try something to do that subject, or we must try what is so much difficult to us. At that time, it will be easy for us in gaining winning and also in losing the failures. We will lose the failures. Obviously, we must hope that every day is a new day and we will start with the new things. And also, we should not fight with the friends or any others. If they did something, we should learn from them also. We should say them. Let us do hard work and also we will move in a position of the winning. Thank you. I hope you have understood it.